For the repair of the SSAS Pro electronic cards, the following procedures were necessary: replacement of various electronic components and general cleanup of the units. For testing, we add a 24-volt DC power supply and a multimeter in order to measure the 5 voltage output. As soon as we turn on the power supply, we see that the unit reacts and the LED indicators light up. We can also see the 5 voltage output on the multimeter's screen. No further testing is possible due to lack of additional units. The same process is repeated for the rest of the electronic cards. It is now clear that all electronic cards are working successfully and are ready to be delivered to the customer.